And now let's go back to the discussion on Parliament, and for this I am joined by DD India correspondent Dibyendu Mondal. Good evening, Dibyendu. What is the latest that you're tracking from the Parliament? The discussion is currently on in the Rajya Sabha on Operation Sindoor. Dibyendu.
Well, Deepika, good evening. The discussion in both the houses of Parliament, both in Rajya Sabha as well as Lok Sabha, are currently underway. It's been a marathon discussion in the Lok Sabha when we saw the Lok Sabha functioning till post midnight yesterday, because the time that has been allocated to the Lok Sabha is 16 hours, which is I believe that 16 hours is over now, and this is going to extend further with the Lok Sabha functioning till at least 8 o'clock this evening. So therefore, the discussions are on the special. This is in fact a special discussion on Operation Sindoor, where both the houses had agreed to have this special discussion, and in fact today afternoon, Rajnath Singh began the discussion in the upper house with his statement on Operation Sindoor, like he did in the Lok Sabha yesterday. Of course, this is an extremely important discussion where political party leaders cutting across all political parties are being given a chance to express their views on the floor of the House. In fact, in both the houses, we have seen a battery of speakers from different political parties expressing their opinion and laying out their facts on the floor of the House. We saw today, Amit Shah, the Union Home Minister, speaking at about 12 p.m. this noon, giving out the fact about yesterday's Operation Mahadev, and that finally through this Operation Mahadev, the terrorists that were responsible for that dastardly attack in Pahalgam on the 22nd of April has been killed. Amit Shah also told the floor of the House and to the Parliament that when it was just not through one confirmation that they have confirmed that it was those three terrorists indeed that were responsible for the attack in Pahalgam, but they have cross-checked at multiple levels through forensics and ballistic reports that the Home Minister had also brought to the House. So therefore, it is extremely important, because all senior ministers from the government, including the Defence Minister, we also heard yesterday the External Affairs Minister, Dr. S. Jaishankar, spelling out the fact of, in fact, the point of the government in in matters of diplomacy as well as in matters of the external affairs. So therefore, we are hearing from senior ministers of the government. We are hearing also from senior leaders of the party, of the NDA, as well as from the opposition party. In fact, today also we heard from Priyanka Gandhi, and we also played a soundbite of Priyanka Gandhi, who had in fact spoken for the first time in the Lok Sabha on a discussion like this. So therefore, it is extremely important, this discussion on Operation Sindoor, which has been an extremely important operation on part of the government, which has made those tactical and strategical strikes in Pakistan's where they had been harboring, or as Defence Minister says, the nursery of terrorism in these terror hideouts deep inside Pakistan. So therefore, this discussion will go down in the echelons of history, in the archives of both the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha.
Very rightly said. Thank you
Deepika.
so much, Dibyendu, for joining us and bringing us the latest straight from the Parliament.